Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show how to use CapCut Pro for free. First, download and install CapCut. Click this link. Click the download button, then download and install it. Okay. Next, open the CapCut. Edit the video using the Pro features. Okay, I edited the video. This video can't be uploaded normally. Okay, now let's see how to get this video. Select all the clips. Okay, right-click on the clip, click on Create Compound Clip, and right-click again on the clips. Click the Pre-Process Compound Clip option. Wait for a moment. Okay, click on the Close button. Go to Settings. Copy the save file location. Exit CapCut. Go to this PC. Paste the copied save file location and press Enter. Open this file. Copy this video. Paste it here. This is the edited video.